It's cool. I can just capture the the game audio. I don't have to actually capture your audio. No, this is actually ideal. Because now you can just say whatever shit you want. Dude, every time I put down the controller and then I pick it up again, it's like I have to start all over again. Isn't that crazy? Dude, I'm gonna have to like warm up on the sim before I actually do this shit in real life. Oh man. I was doing good yesterday. Won against the AI. It hasn't like fully become muscle memory yet. Bro, I'm sucking so much ass right now. Oh god. What's going on, gentlemen? You guys follow my YouTube channel? How could you do this to me? Yeah, post it in general chat. Dude, how could you? Yeah, my parents got me a FPV drone kit for Christmas. So I bought a simulator to practice. Yeah. Dude, Oh, are you? Yeah, episode 2, I just... Yeah, Yeah, I mean, I have like 3 hours in the sim, so I just crashed a lot the other day, and I just cut it all into a like crash montage until the end. Like I actually get it. It took me like 43 attempts before I got through and won the race. Well, watch till the end. I actually end up hitting them really fast. Well, that's why you do the sims, because you get all the you know, all the crashing out of your system when it doesn't matter. Thanks for the views, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That was me, that wasn't the video. Could you tell? At what? Video cutting or flying? No way! Damn! I'm ready to go to the couch when you are. I'm sucking pretty bad today.